Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you what is Trade Republic. So, Trade Republic is a German fintech company that operates as an online broker and a bank offering a mobile first platform for investing and saving. It's founded in 2015 and it is it's rapidly expanded across Europe, serving millions of customers. Some of its key features is their investment options where you can you have a wide range of investment options like stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrency, bonds, as example, a lot of other stuff. It's available in not all the countries in the world. It's available, of course, first in Germany because it's founded there. It's available in France, Spain, Italy, basically all the countries in Europe. All the countries in the European Union, as example. So if you go, as example, to Google and type European Union, you can go and see all the countries here. So all the countries here, as you can see, is available or Trade Republic is available on them. And of course, Trade Republic is supervised by the German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority, ensuring compliance with financial regulations. Of course, client funds are also protected up to 100,000 euros under the German Deposits Guarantee Scheme. Also, securities are held in custody accounts, and cryptocurrencies are stored securely through partnership with regulated custodians as well. So, some considerations, example, which is customer support. Some users have reported delays and some customer service responses, particularly during high demand periods, and some service interruptions during some events like the GameStop trading surge in 2021, I guess. Trade Republic temporarily restricted trading in certain stocks, leading to regulatory scrutiny. So, of course, you can download the application. As you can see, they have an application on phone. And yeah, you can start using it right away. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.